All right, so our next line of code, we're adding import math. The math module is Python's built-in mathematical toolkit. When we import it, we're gaining access to precise mathematical functions and constants that go way beyond basic arithmetic. Python's regular operators like plus, minus, multiplication can handle everyday math. But when we need scientific precision or advanced mathematical operations, that's where the math module comes in. There's a few of the key things that we get with this math module. We've got mathematical constants like math.pi giving us pi to 15 decimal places, not just 3.14, but the precise value needed for accurate geometric calculations. Then we have trigonometric functions like math.sin and math.cos. These are essential for rotations and geometric transformations. We also have math.square root and many other functions for logarithms, exponentials, and advanced operations. This matters for our 4D project because we are working with higher dimensional geometry. But the math module will help ensure our calculations are as accurate as possible. Just by typing import math, we're essentially upgrading our mathematical capabilities from basic arithmetic to scientific computing.